Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 5 best sewing machines for beginners, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. PureWave Mini Sewing Machine. Portable, complete kit with 123 accessories for beginners. The PureWave Mini Sewing Machine is the ultimate sewing companion for beginners and crafters alike. This compact, portable machine comes with a complete 123-piece kit, including 62 essential sewing tools such as needles, thread spools, buttons, scissors, and 56 DIY accessories like fabric tables and foot pedals. It's perfect for creating a wide variety of projects, including clothes, aprons, dolls, and pillows. The included ebook offers a $100 value with tutorials on 12 creative items, offering 3 difficulty levels for all skills. Whether you're a novice or looking to refine your sewing skills, the ebook, FAQ, user manual, and instructional videos guide you through every step. Safety is a priority with the mini machine, featuring a finger guard and adjustable speed modes for safer operation. Plus, a built-in light lets you sew at night or on dark fabrics, making your sewing experience more comfortable and convenient. Weighing only 2.35 pounds and with both battery and plug-in options, this mini machine is ideal for travel or home use. It's a perfect gift choice for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, with its all-in-one kit requiring no extra wrapping. Number 2. Singer 4423 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. High speed, stronger motor, 97 stitches. The Singer 4423 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine is designed for sewers who demand power, speed, and versatility. With 97 stitch applications including basic stretch, decorative stitches, and a one-step buttonhole, this machine offers endless possibilities for creative projects. Its automatic needle threader eliminates frustration by effortlessly threading the needle without eye strain. With a high-speed sewing capability of up to 1,100 stitches per minute, the Singer 4423 lets you finish projects faster. The 60% stronger motor provides greater piercing power, making it ideal for thicker fabrics and tough seams. The heavy-duty metal frame and stainless steel bed frame ensure stability and durability, while the powerful motor and high sewing speed make this machine a true workhorse. Included with the machine are essential accessories such as an all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, and a quilting guide, all conveniently stored in the accessory tray. The top drop-in bobbin system, featuring a transparent cover, helps you monitor thread supply easily, while the Stay Bright LED lighting provides bright, shadow-free illumination, ensuring you can work with precision. Whether you're sewing light fabrics or tackling heavy-duty projects, the Singer 4423 offers consistent, high-quality results every time. Number 3. Singer Heavy Duty 4411 Sewing Machine. Powerful, high-speed, durable for tough fabrics. The Singer Heavy Duty 4411 Sewing Machine is designed for those who tackle tough fabrics like denim, canvas, and leather with ease. Powered by a heavy-duty motor that delivers 50% more power, this machine provides professional-grade stitching, ensuring reliability for heavy-duty projects, while still handling lighter fabrics like dress-weight materials. With 69 stitch applications, including basic seams and intricate decorative stitches, the 4411 offers versatility for a wide range of sewing tasks, from home decor projects to fashion garments. Achieve high-speed results with up to 1,100 stitches per minute, making it perfect for quick, efficient sewing whether you're performing everyday repairs or complex tasks. The durable metal frame ensures stability and skip-free sewing, providing long-lasting durability even when working with thicker materials. Its top drop-in bobbin system, complete with a transparent cover, makes it easy to monitor thread supply, preventing interruptions and ensuring a smoother sewing experience. Built for efficiency and versatility, the Singer Heavy Duty 4411 is a reliable workhorse for both novice and experienced sewists, delivering consistent, high-quality results every time. Number 4. Brother Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Brother CS7000X Sewing and Quilting Machine is a versatile and reliable tool for both sewing enthusiasts and experienced quilters alike. With 70 unique built-in stitches, including utility, decorative heirloom, and quilting stitches, plus 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes, this machine offers endless possibilities for creative projects. The improved automatic needle threader makes threading quick and easy, while the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin ensures smooth operation. It also features a durable metal frame and fixed needle bar, ensuring clean, precise stitching on every project. Whether you're working on large quilts or smaller sewing tasks, the CS7000X provides a spacious needle-to-arm workspace for greater flexibility and control. Included with the machine are a wide table 10 sewing feet, a quilt guide, a protective hard case, and a trilingual user manual in English, Spanish, and French, making it perfect for all levels of sewers. Plus, with Brothers' commitment to quality, the CS7000X comes with lifetime technical support, ensuring you're never alone with your machine. Designed specifically for use in the US at 120 volts, this machine provides outstanding performance and reliability for years of sewing and quilting enjoyment. Number 5. Brother GX37 Sewing Machine with 37 built-in stitches and auto-threading. The Brother GX37 Sewing Machine is the ultimate tool for all your sewing and quilting needs, whether you're a beginner or an experienced user. With 37 unique built-in stitches, including an auto-size buttonhole, this machine offers versatility for every project. Its automatic needle threader makes threading a breeze, while the drop-in top bobbin ensures smooth, jam-resistant operation. The GX37 comes with everything you need to get started, including 6 sewing feet, a needle set, bobbins, an instructional DVD, and a user manual. Whether you're tackling everyday sewing tasks or taking on quilting projects, the versatile free arm makes it easy to sew cuffs, sleeves, and other difficult-to-reach areas. Brothers at your side, support ensures you're never alone, offering free technical support via live chat, phone, or online for the life of your machine. Designed for use in the US, this machine operates at 120 volts, and the warranty is voided if used outside this specification. With its combination of advanced features, ease of use, and reliable support, the Brother GX37 Sewing Machine is an excellent choice for sewers at all levels. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.